Hello, this is Just Nailed It, and this is kind of a SheModern Saturday, a little bit late. There were some medical emergencies in my family with my mom. I want to thank everybody for their outpouring prayers and support. Jesus heard it, and she has been healed. She was admitted for infection of cellulitis in her leg. They did chest x-rays and found congestive heart failure. They said that she had been in for a few months. That was on a Thursday afternoon. Saturday, yesterday, they sent her home. Nothing showed up on the ultrasound, no congestive heart failure whatsoever. She's perfectly fine except the cellulitis. So I thank everybody from the bottom of my heart. I'm trying my best not to cry. My mom is so important to me. She is my best friend. But I want to thank everybody. It means the world to me. So thank you. So onto our haul. I placed an order with SheModern. First I'm going to go through my decals. Alrighty. So I ordered both of these both of these water decals. Over here we have got pumpkins, skulls, ghosts, and haunted houses. Over here we have got the scary tree with the bat and the cross at the cemetery. We got the scary cats and the paw prints. It could be any type of animal you want it to be. So I love those. Love the water decals. Everybody knows that. She sent me 3 stencils. Thank you, Gina. I'm sorry about this. This is stencil number 10. Try to bring that closer to you. This makes me think of Easter. It really does. It makes me think of doing Easter eggs. Love this one with the triangles around the sides, edges. Makes me think of teeth at Halloween. Number 4. This has got little circles on the outside where it is solid in the middle. To where number 10 has the open. Love, love, love. Thank you so much. We'll add these to my stencil collection. SheModern has came out with a new line. Okay, they have the jelly water paints, which I do love. These are jellies. The gel water paints air dry. These you put in your lamp. So I ordered 3. They were $17 for each bottle, or 3 for $39. So this video will contain PR items such as the stencils that she sent me. Let me get these all out. Let me cut the plastic away. So we could open these babies up and take a gander. This is so the lids stay on good, there's no leakage. We have got 6 bottles, cannot wait to open them and see. I ordered orange, green, and purple. Excuse me. Okay, so here are the 3 I ordered. Orange, green, and purple. And it says here, Jelly Matte Orange Gel Paint. Dry Matte Touch for Gel Art Coloring. These are not to paint your nails with. Oh, that is so pretty. Can't wait to use these. I had to get the purple, you know it's my favorite, but I got the orange, purple, and the green because of Halloween where I could use these. Love these colors. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Hear me, Erica. Beautiful. That's Nail Crazy Mama's little girl. She likes when I say hello. So here for the PR item, we have got opaque matte white gel paint. Ooh, love, love. Gotta have some white. Thank you, thank you. Matte, jelly matte clear. Okay. Alright. Tina has not done, I missed her last live because of my mom's being in the hospital. There's so many things going on. I guess I should read this. Opaque sticky white. Alright, I do not know about this one here. Tina has not done, to my knowledge, a video on these yet. So I cannot wait till she does. Give us some instructions, some tips and tricks. Please join her lives. She's in California, USA. And she goes live. Sometimes it's 3 hours, sometimes it's 2. Where she's showing us tips and tricks with her products. Lately it's been the water paints, the jellies, the opaque, the matte. But I missed her last live, so I have to go back and watch it, and I believe that's like 2.5 hours long. I think I caught the last half hour. But check these out on the website, SheModern.com. Excuse me, I'm thirsty. On Instagram, she_modern. Check them out here on YouTube, where she shows her demos, her how-tos, and you can rewatch the live feeds. I thought it was got chip in it. Oh well, whatever, doesn't make it any difference. Cannot wait to use the colored ones. Halloween is fast approaching. I think next weekend I'm going to do a fall manicure. I'm not going to jump straight into Halloween yet. I'm going to do the fall manicure. I got a couple different things in mind, but I have a feeling I'm going to change it. But there's so many things I want to say, and I can't think. And thank you, Tina, for the PR items. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you for the fast delivery, because I ordered them like one day and they were here 2 days later. It seemed like it was fast. Check out SheModern on all their social medias, Facebook included. On Instagram, I am just.nailedit, so please, if you watch me here, please go add me there. It's just to kind of go hand in hand. But I'm going to call this the end of the video because my mind's drawing a blank of anything else that I wanted to tell you. So as soon as I figure all these out, and especially the sticky one, sticky white, so opaque. And then we got the clear, which I can't remember if she said the clear goes over your design. I can't remember. Please do have the hollow stickers. Hollow! I think they're beautiful. So we're going to call this a day. This is my small haul with PR items included from SheModern.com. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.